Good afternoon. I am Dr. Jennifer Edwards, and I'm at Tarleton State University. I'm also with the International Artificial Intelligence and Communication Institute, but that's not why we are here today. We are here today to teach everyone how to make a simple video and image on Gemini. And so I'm sure that you can also use it if you are a user who is using the free version or the paid version. And so I just wanted to demonstrate. So this is actually the student version, and this is how you can design a video. So if I wanted to design a video, I'll just say, please create a video of a professor. We'll just say, because I'm African American, we'll put African American, an African American professor at Tarleton State University. It's been a long day. University, in the Communication Studies Department, giving an award to an outstanding graduate student at an informal, not unfounded, informal, let's just say barbecue see what happens when I have phrases that are automatically saved. Barbecue. So we'll just say, I don't know how to say it. Barbecue in the university, in front of the university library. Just randomness. Okay, so we will see if we need to say we need to create a video, but we'll just see what it comes up with. So it is thinking. And it says it can create a video in 1 to 2 minutes. And so while it does this, I do want to say I use this feature fairly often. If I need to create some B-roll for a video based on something that doesn't actually exist, but maybe a concept, I use this feature. I can also use this feature for demonstrating some, like say if I'm working on some fitness stuff or fitness moves or something that's difficult to explain via email or via text. This is what I use as well, but it's a great way of developing a concept without actually having to do it. So just proof of concept. This is especially great if you're working on campaigns or if you're working with a group on a new project. It's very good. I will caution you, however, all of these ideas that you put into generative AI can be taken and suggested to other users. So it's like share and share alike, of course, but this can be taken and given to other users as well. So if you do not mind, put in the chat how often you use the video creation or the photo creation features. Like I say, I use them quite often. On Google, you are limited to 3 videos per day. And so this is one of the videos. Oh, wow. Okay. So we will see what he looks like. So he looks great. It's not Tarleton, obviously. In the bottom right-hand corner, you will see it says VEO. But we will see what this looks like.
It is my distinct honor to present the Outstanding Graduate Student Award in Communication Studies.
Thank you so much. I am truly honored.
It is my distinct honor.
She's excited. And I'm excited too because that looks good. I should have said African American female, but I didn't. And you can only, again, generate 3 of these per day. So you can save this to your files and you can share it with people who are working on a project with you. It's a great video. So I will give it a thumbs up. And also if I want to please create an image of, let's just say a data center CEO speaking to a town or to citizens of a small town in which they are planning to develop a new set of data centers. Okay, So now we are asking it to create an image. And obviously you can use that other video as part of a presentation, especially a concept or a campaign that you propose. That it's a great way of doing that. So the other one uses VEO as its software tool. I imagine VEO is a company that Google actually acquired a few years ago, and this is actually Nano Banana 3. And so that's something that's fairly new. You do have to watch the images. I could actually say I could say the name of the town, but let's zoom in to see if it, what it looks like. So the town of Oak Haven Community Meeting. I don't like that the people are behind him. And you can reimagine this. So you can tell them where they're located. So let's reimagine. So can you have the executive speaking to the citizens instead of the citizens sitting behind him? Also, can you make the area, we'll just say in Central Texas? Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. You never know. It is always a surprise. And again, with AI, you have to continue to work with it, but it should not take it a long time to reimagine. And it's funny that we're talking about data centers, but data centers are what is part of the creation process, unfortunately. Lots of water goes into the process of creating these photos. It is still like the mountainous area potentially. No, that looks like some parts of Central Texas, but he is speaking to the folks. They do not have signs. There's some kind of general store and post office in the general store. So you can ask it to tweak little things here and there. And also I encourage you to look at the faces to make sure that they look like legitimate people. A lot of people have coffee. I don't know what that's about, but a lot of people have coffee. And then she seems interested, so it does not look super bad. So there we go. And you can also change the name of the city or what have you. But yeah, that's AI image generation and video generation in a nutshell. I would encourage you, if you are a student, get the student version of the generative AI piece. I use it daily, and so I would definitely recommend that you guys do that. All right, if you have any questions, type them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, y'all.